Hey, have you ever noticed how pets, especially cats, act like they pay rent?
Oh, absolutely. It's like they assume ownership of the entire house.
Exactly. They'll knock over your drink, then give you that look as if you were the one in the wrong,
And the best part is how they choose the most expensive spot to nap, like it's their personal suite.
right? It's as if they think every luxury in the house was purchased just for them.
I know it's fascinating how they exude such authority without any contribution to the household expenses.
It's a mystery how they've convinced us to accept their behavior as normal.
Indeed, they have mastered the art of entitlement, and we just let it happen.
Pets can certainly teach us a lot about confidence, can't they?
Absolutely. They live like royalty, and we're here to serve.